Hey, what's up, Dent coin holder? This is the live price prediction, my friend, of Dent coin. And absolutely, I have something very special information for all Dent coin. This is I think something very secret, but absolutely, if you are my subscriber, my viewer, so definitely I am going to share with you, my brother. Absolutely, one of the tips and tricks, my friend. Absolutely, you also found in this channel. So kindly, if you want to earn money in crypto, you need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother did coin, I think 2 to 3 months ago, to I will starting making video for didn't coin. And absolutely, I think my friends 2 months ago to I invest in did coin, and I invest for a long time, so therefore my brother, I cannot make video very fastly, very urgently for did coin. But absolutely, after 2 days or 3 days, my friend, absolutely I decide to make a video for did coin. So therefore, otherwise my friend, I will make a special videos for every coin, my brother, on every day. So therefore my brother, as you can see, my friends, Dent coin price will be increasing in last 3 days. As you can see, 5.55% the price is increased. So this is very huge now, absolutely, because you know XRP, Cardano, like this coin just an only jump of 2%. So therefore, I am so happy. I'm very excited to Dent coin. How is it possible to they will get a 5% profit? Congratulations, my viewers, my subscriber. To upcoming days, there is a chance to Dent coin price will be increasing. If you also, my friends, want to earn my friend, and money at the end of this month, so this is possible to upcoming days, my friend. The price will fails down, so when the price will fails down, you need to buy it and hold it, my friend, just in only 2 to 5 months, sorry, weeks, and absolutely, my friend, sorry, 2 to 5 days, just in only. And I hope, I'm 100%, I expect, my friends, to this time they will give you a very good profit, just in only at the end of month. So, Dint coin holder, my prediction is going to be positive. What's your price prediction of Dint coin? And yes, what's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. Too. This is selling time, holding time, or buying time. Allah Hafiz. Take care. See you next time.